things go bad. There's less and less place on the shelf, and the master is too passionate about modeling cuties. He apparently forgot that he was a horror maker, not a cutie maker. We must stop it.
I suggest that Siren Head again invent something. He's good at removing competitors.
Yes, Bear. The spacesuit you use instead of your head is not of much help to you.
Hey, Fatty, you've lost your fear. I'll scare you now like hell. You will scare me. Do not make me laugh. Even Shy Man didn't scare me. And you, do you really think you're too scary? And you know that you were fooled all the time and were shown ancient horror stories. Which no longer scare anyone.
Hey friends, stop quarreling. We on the contrary should unite against our common misfortune, against the appearance of characters other than SCPs on the shelf. I generally propose turning the Horrormaker workshop into a branch of the SCP Foundation.
What a brilliant idea! I'm all for it. A good idea. Well done, Chicken Head.
What? Is it me, Chicken Head?
Yes, but I'm in a good sense of the word.
Well, if in a good sense, then okay. Do you know how to do this? How to turn the Horrormaker's workshop into a branch of the SCP Foundation? Пока не знаю.
But I know.
Oh, Siren Head, you are our hope. You invented something ingenious again.
So, through my channels of SCP communication, I received one interesting test tube.
And what is in this test tube?
In this test tube is a virus called plasticine SCP pest.
Wow, man!
At night, we will put this test tube near the plasticine reserves of Horrormaker. We'll open the cap.
And what will happen next?
And then we'll observe how it all ends.
I love intrigue.
Hi guys, you're on Horrormaker channel,
and Horrormaker is with you. In one of the latest videos I made a room for viral 8-bit. 8-bit was satisfied but asked me to make a pet for him so that he would not be bored living alone in his room. I decided to make a viral robot dog. I found just such a picture on the internet and now I will sculpt this dog.
I say, Siren Head, I cannot see anything. Plasticine is plasticine as usual.
A little patience. Now you will understand everything.
What is happening? What is it? I didn't sculpt it. It's an SCP-023 object.
Well, everybody understands everything. I didn't understand anything. Well, this is not surprising. Did the others understand?
I seem to understand. The plasticine of Horrormaker became infected with the plasticine SCP pest.
Yes, that's right. And now, no matter what Horrormaker models from infected plasticine, everything will turn into SCP objects.
It's just brilliant. Bravo, my siren genius.
Guys, I don't understand anything. What's going on? It looks like my plasticine has become uncontrollable. I have to say goodbye to you urgently until all circumstances are clarified. Take care of yourself. Continue to boost immunity and wash your hands often. Horrormaker was with you. See you. Good luck.